Have you ever wondered how words come together to form a sentence? That makes sense? Today, we're going to talk about the building blocks of sentences, parts of speech. Parts of speech are the different types of words that we use in a sentence. They help us understand how words function and how they relate to one another. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, verb, adjective, conjunction, pronoun, adverb, preposition, interjection. Noun. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, dog, New York, and happiness are all nouns. The sun rises in the east. The noun in this sentence is sun. She can't play the guitar. The noun in this sentence is guitar. Verb. A verb is a word that expresses action, state, or occurrence. For example, run, is, and eat are all verbs. Jeffrey builds a house. In this sentence, build is the verb. Anna is thinking about horses. In this sentence, thinking is the verb. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, red, big, and happy are all adjectives. They have a beautiful house. In this sentence, beautiful is the adjective. The boy is tall and skinny. In this sentence, tall and skinny are the adjectives. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, or, and, but are all conjunctions. I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterward. In this sentence, and, but are the conjunctions. Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. In this sentence, yet is the conjunction. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, he, she, and they are all pronouns. I love my dog. In this sentence, I is the pronoun. He is a good boy. In this sentence, he is the pronoun. Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, quickly, very, and always are all adverbs. He ran quickly. In this sentence, quickly is the adverb. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. In this sentence, greedily is the adverb. Preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. For example, on, in, and under are all prepositions. Mary was sitting under a tree. In this sentence, under is the preposition. He sat on the chair. In this sentence, on is the preposition. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion or surprise. For example, wow, ouch, and hey are all interjections. Hooray, we won the match. In this sentence, hooray is the interjection. Ho, that guy is unbelievably huge. In this sentence, ho is the interjection. And there you have it, understanding. The parts of speech is a fundamental part of improving your writing and communication skills. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more language learning tips and tricks.